Not all work deserves the same amount of your time. Some tasks maintain the business, others grow the business, and you need to know the difference. Customer support maintains relationships, but improving your customer experience can create loyalty. Posting content keeps you visible, but creating the right content can bring new customers. Checking numbers is useful, but understanding what those numbers are telling you can help you make better decisions. As an entrepreneur, don't just ask, what do I need to do today? Ask, what can I do today that will still create value tomorrow? That's a different way of thinking.